Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing. Tonight I want to show you another purchase I made. This is the Oppo A31. It has the 4 GB memory and the 64 GB internal memory. And this is how the box looks like on the front, and on the back we're gonna have another specs. AI triple camera. The battery, there is 4230 milliampere, and of course the 16.5 centimeter the display, and the HD plus water drop screen. 4G 64, like I said before. The color is black. They do have various colors, but I choose the black. It works very nice for the guys mostly. And let's unpack the box itself. I already unpacked the phone. I'm going to explain why. The seller doesn't allow you to leave before testing the product. In this way, they will have the cover for the product that is in fully working condition, and otherwise you as a consumer, you cannot go back to the store and tell them that you got a defective phone. So in this way, they got it covered. So they actually want you to test the product right in front of the technician, so they will not have any problems. Yeah, anyway, in here we have a silicone case. I'm going to show you after that. And right here we have the phone itself. There is a piece of cardboard underneath that is holding the plastic back in place. And okay, another specs: 3-card slot for storage, and the phone itself. Let's put it aside and see what's in the box. Moving along. Okay, we have the SIM tray. We have the SIM key. This is made in one piece. It does look the same like the other budget phones, so it's nothing special for it. Okay, let's put it aside. In here we have the manuals, the nomenclature, quick guide in various languages, including English. Okay, nobody is actually reading this, so yeah. Okay, we have another manual in the box. This is the Oppo again. Safety guide. We do have the cable. I believe this is Type C. Okay. And the charger. This phone is charging. It has the fast charging. Fast charging. I'm going to show you exactly. In here there are some of the specs. Let's hope that my phone will focus eventually. Okay, and we have 5 volts, 2 amps, and okay, these are the specs. Output 5. Okay, these are the voltages, and it has the fast charge. Okay, these are the specs, as you can see right here. And yeah, anyway, let's put it aside, what I've showed you here, and try to remove the plastic cover that is holding the phone itself. I can tell you that the phone is the magnet fingerprints all the time. So since it's black, is It's very hard uh, not to have any marks from your hands, and anyway the fingerprints. Yeah, in here we have the power button on the right side, and on the right here we have the volume up, volume down. This is the SIM tray that you can use, that you can remove, so you can insert the SIM. And here are the camera, the cameras, pardon, triple cameras, like I said. This is the 12, the main camera is 12 megapixel. Then we have the 2 megapixel and the macro. It has 3 cameras anyway. Right here we have the LED blitz, and yeah, this is how she looks like right here. Anyway, this is the fingerprint that you can unlock your phone, and let's turn the phone on. One important thing is has the protective cover that is come directly from the factory, so you don't have to worry by adding another shield, another protective screen, pardon. So yeah, all you have to do is just put your GSM card, and you can use it on your way. Anyway, okay, this is how he looks like. The pictures and all of that are not the best that I can tell you. I didn't had available time to make the test and all of that, but okay, this is a cursor that is using for the brightness. This is the 720p display, like I said. We do have the calculator, the flashlight. We do not have the Google Assistant like the Motorola E7 Plus right here. We have the mobile data. We have the night shield, Oppo share, and let's go to the settings. It does have the gesture, add swipe gesture for both sides. Okay. What can I show you more? Smart services, convenience tools, security. Let's go to the about. System apps, pardon. Okay. It comes with the Android 9.0 instead of 10, like the Motorola E7 Plus. So anyway, these are the specs for the Oppo. We have the 4 GB of RAM. We have the Octa-core. This is the Mediatek. Is not the Snapdragon like the Motorola 446 or Motorola E7 Plus, because it had the Snapdragon 446. This one is easy, the Mediatek pardon. And it was released in June 5 to 2020. And yeah, it has the Android 9.0 right here, the version of the Android. Yeah. What can I tell you? These are the buttons that you can use for the back. Okay, let's put it aside and try once again. These are the photos. I haven't done any photos yet. Okay, cancel. It's very responsive, and this is the phone function. It's quite different than the Motorola, but what can I say? Compared to the E7 or the Moto G8 Power, this is very responsive, you know, and it works flawlessly. Right here we have another apps, of course. Let's try the camera. Okay, the LED that I'm having is causing our problem. I will not be able to show you all the settings that it has. We have the portrait, the photo. We do have the, we can zoom in and we can try making the photos. And okay, so this is how the photo looks like. The 12 megapixel is not the best, but yeah, anyway, he has the HDR. Yeah. Anyway, I haven't had the opportunity to try the games or the apps, see how they running on this machine, on this phone, pardon. And but overall, I think it's a good phone. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep the Oppo because I did like more the Moto G7 G8 Power because he had the 60 megapixel the camera, and he also was filming the 4K. This one doesn't film 4K, only 1080p. Yeah. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed my unboxing. If you have any questions, you can put them down below, and see you in another video. Thank you for watching. Bye.